transformations of our cube root function. So we're going to look at, remember our parent function is f of x is the cubed root. Remember that's that small little 3. What transformations we can do to that? Adding and subtracting, adding negative numbers, etc. So same kind of thing that we were talking about for the square root and for a lot of our other functions. It's f of x equals a, this time cubed root, that little 3, x minus h plus k. Remember that h is inside, that k is outside. So very similar to the square roots. We're going to go through what each of the different attributes mean, what it does to the parent function, how it moves it, stretches it, reflects it on the graph, step by step, and basically they're all the same that we already talked about. So if there is a negative outside of our a, that means that it's going to be reflected over our x-axis. And if a is greater than 1, then we're going to have a vertical stretch. And if a is a fraction in between 0 and 1, we're going to have a compression. And if there's a negative right in front of our x, then that means it's reflected over our y-axis. Our h, the number underneath the radical next to the x, tells us if it's moving horizontally. So it's a horizontal shift. And remember, anything inside next to the x lies. So if it's positive, it's going to the left, that way, counterintuitive. And if it's a negative number, it's going to the right. While the k, the one on the outside, that tells us which way it's moving vertically, or that's up and down. This one doesn't lie, so it makes sense. If it's positive, it's going to go up. And if it's negative, it's going to go down. And again, our h and k is going to be not really our endpoint on our cube roots, but we'll write that there. Okay, so let's take it just piece by piece to see what happens here. Okay, so negative a. Is there a negative outside here? Nope. Is there an a that is greater than 1 or one that's in between 0 and 1? Nope. Is there a negative in front of our x? Nope. Is there an h, a number underneath our radical? Nope. Is there a k, a number outside? Yep, there is right here. It's negative 5. Remember, that one doesn't lie, so we're going to be going down 5. That's all there is to it. All right, so is there a negative a out here? No. Is there an a greater than 1 or one in between 0 and 1? No, it's just 1. Is x, I'm just going down the list, is x negative? Yes. So it is reflected over the y-axis. Is there a h, a number inside? Yep. And it's negative 6. Remember, we're going opposite, so we're going to go to the right 6. Is there a k, a number outside? Yep. And we're going to go up 2. That's it. That's all there is to it. Let's look at a couple more examples. Is there a negative a? Nope. Is there an a that is greater than 1 or in between 0 and 1? There is. It's greater than 1, so we're going to stretch it. Is there a negative in front of the x? Nope. Is there an h, number underneath the radical? Yep, and it's positive 3, so we're going to go to the left 3. Is there a number outside? Nope. We're done. All right, one more. Is there a negative a? Yes, so it is reflected, this time over the x-axis. Is there an a that is greater than 1 and one in between 0 and 1? Yes. Oh, you can't see me pointing to it. It's greater than 1. So again, we're going to be stretched. Is there a negative in front of the x? Nope. Is there an h, a number inside the radical? There is. It's -2, so we're going to go to the right 2. Right 2. Is there a k, a number outside? There is. It's +1, so we're going to go up 1. That's it. Let me know when you have questions.